To stop your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra home screen from rotating, you have to disable rotate to landscape mode option for your home screen. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap setting. Scroll down the screen, and then tap the blue on off switch next to rotate to landscape mode until the switch turns green to turn it off. To see the result, go to your home screen and then repeatedly hold your phone in landscape and portrait view. As you can see, your phone will not change its rotation no matter how you hold your phone. Given the function, disabling home screen rotation will help prevent accidental rotation and keep your layout from getting disrupted, especially when you are using the phone while you are laying down or at odd angles. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.